Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So, ito yung reading natin for Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Take only what resonates, hindi ito magre-resonate sa lahat. So, kunin mo lang yung mga messages na magre-resonate para sa'yo. Okay? Kung ikaw ay hindi pa nakakapag-subscribe sa channel natin, paki-subscribe na lang. Meron pa tayong ibang channel guys ha. Check mo na lang sa description box. And for personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader. Ayan. And, kung gusto mo ako i-follow or i-subscribe sa TikTok, Unicorn Princess Tarot. Yan yung aking TikTok account, guys. Nagsishare ako dyan ng mga palm reading, ganyan. And, meron akong paraffle ngayon para makapagpa-free reading ka sa akin. Check mo na lang yung details doon sa aking TikTok. Okay, doon ko sinabi. And, yeah. Wait lang, kukuha lang ako ng card na gagamitin ko sa iyong reading, earth sign. By the way, meron nga pala akong restaurant dito sa Las Piñas, no? Yung yung Jelly's restaurant. Pwede mo siyang i-search sa Google, sa Waze, Jelly's, Jeliz restaurant. Ayan, pwede mong bisitahin yun or i-like din yung aming page sa Facebook. Ayan, malay mo matsyempohan mo ako doon, no? Anyway, this is for Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Let's start your reading. Okay. By the way, I really do like my new crystal, yung nandito. It's just a slab. Pero para siyang TV pag habang nagre-reading ako sa inyo. Para siyang TV, may mga nag-a-appear na image dyan. And, so as yung ibang crystals, very helpful actually pag nagre-reading ako sa inyo. Kasi may mga nakikita akong mga imahe na may mga messages. So, habang nanonood kayo, you might want to check or tignan din yung mga crystals. Baka may makita kayong mga image. You do have here the Lovers, the World, and the Magician at the bottom of the deck. This is your main energy. I can see a businessman here or someone na magaling sales talk. Alam mo yun. Alam mo yun, meron kasi yung sabihin na natin, hindi ka naman negosyante, wala ka naman binibenta, pero magaling ka mag-sales talk, magaling ka mang-uto, sabihin na natin ganun. Pero, kumbaga, pwede ka kasing sabihin nating maging negosyante, maging businessman na wala kang alam sa pagsa-sales talk. Basta nag-franchise ka lang, ganun. Alam mo yon. But for what I can see here, nasa talent mo na yung magaling kang mag-sales talk. Pwedeng wala kang negosyo pero meron kang abilidad na makapag-sales talk. Maybe kung hindi ka man negosyante or businessman, you are someone na nagtrabaho na sa sales. Alam mo yon, pwedeng sales lady, yung mga ganun ba, yung marunong i-advertise yung something, yung isang bagay. And you have the knowledge. Kahit wala kang masyadong alam dun sa mismong product, pero alam mo kung paano lalaruin yung words mo para ma-ibenta mo yung isang bagay. I can see the energy of you being that kind of person. We do have here the World and the Lovers, dalawang major arcana. So, sa nakikita natin dito, pagdating sa person na kakonect mo, no, you feel like this person is the world. Maaring siya yung kumukumpleto sa iyo ngayon. There's a connection or a relationship na parang feeling mo, hindi mo to i-give up So, I feel like you are currently nasa isang relasyon na hindi mo i-give up itong relationship na ito kasi you see this relationship as the world. Kumukumpleto sa'yo, masaya ka, masaya kayo sa relasyon or sa connection na ito. Yan. And I'm feeling like sa ngayon, marami na kayong mga minamanifest or marami na kayong dreams nitong person nito, marami na kayong pangarap. Kumbaga, may mga plano, pwedeng ganun, and may mga gusto kayong mangyari sa buhay nyo. Yung iba gusto nyong bumili, like something maybe na may kinalaman sa bahay, so pwedeng kayo ay mag-asawa or magkasama sa bahay nitong person na ito. Nakikita, kung hindi ka nakaka-relate guys, maybe this is not your reading, okay? Check mo yung ibang videos natin. And yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng sa may pagsasama, and then pwedeng may mga plano, may planong bilhin, sasakyan, gamit sa bahay, pwedeng ganun. And for what I can see here, you are both happy sa connection ninyo. So, let's find out kung ano naman ang energy ng person na kakonect mo. Gagamit ako ng ibang cards, guys. Namimili pa ako yung tumatawag sa attention ko. This one. Take only what resonates. One last shuffle. Okay, thank you spirit guides, angel guides. Person na kakonect ni Earth sign. King of Wands. The Judgment. Nine of Pentacles. Clarify the Judgment, please. By the way, the Judgment is a major arcana. Hanging Man. The Hanging Man is here. Ten of Swords. Okay. Kukuha ko ng ng connection, whatever is meron sa connection ninyo. I want to clarify. I want to know. Pero gagamit ako ng ibang card. Napupusuan ko itong card na ito. By the way, nire-record ko itong video, Valentine's Day. So, happy Valentine's Day to all. February 14 ngayon. Sana masaya ang inyong mga Valentines. You have here community. I'm feeling like itong person na ito could be a businessman, a business woman, or a businessman, babae man or lalaki. Maybe someone who really do likes music. Naghihintay itong taong to sa'yo. Like, hindi ko nakuha yung energy ng person na masaya ka ngayon. But I can see a person who is waiting for you. Definitely, could be a person in the past kasi may ending na nangyari sa inyo nitong person na ito. With the Hanging Man, this person is still waiting. With the community, pwedeng this person or both of you ay may kaugalian na tumulong, makipagkapwa-tao. Alam mo yon? Pwedeng pag nasa isang sakuna, tutulong ka, mamimigay ka ng kung anong kaya mong ibigay, and then yung person na ito would try to help someone in need kung kaya lang din naman niyang ibigay. And may kaugalian kayong ganon. And because of that, I'm feeling a soulmate connection, which is weird. Pwedeng yung person na ito with the Judgment already knew the connection, alam niya yon, or nararamdaman niya din yon, or vice versa. Pero ang focus mo kasi is this material things. Anong emosyon mo sa taong to? Nakakaamoy ako ng toyo. I don't know kung kumain ka ba ng toyo or something. Na may toyo. Okay lang kahit wala. The Hermit, yeah. That is Virgo energy. Justice card, Libra energy, Justice, and puro major arcanas lumalabas sa'yo. I don't know, you could be very spiritually nag-evolve na spiritually kung ano man yung mga kaalaman na meron ka. You do have the Queen of Swords. For now, you are being maiwas or mailag, or maybe you're cutting off this person, kina-cut off mo siya, nilalayuan mo, iniiwasan mo. You're focusing sa iyong growth. I can see a lot of growth, by the way. Na ikaw ang gumawa. Nangyari itong growth na to dahil sa sarili mo pagsusumikap, paghihirap. And nakikita natin dyan with the King of Swords, yan. King and Queen of Swords. So talagang mailap or maiwas ka dito sa taong to, which is maybe nararamdaman mo that this is your soulmate. Alam mo na this is your soulmate, and maybe alam mo yung emotion mo dito sa person na ito. Wait lang. There's this energy, nakikita mo itong cup na ito or baso, glass pala, no? A wine glass. I don't know if you own such glass or meron kayo nito. Kasi nakakita ko ng energy na itong hawak niyang baso meron ka. This could be a reading kung meron kang ganito. Yan. And the Two of Swords, yeah, you do have choices here, options. Pero with the Nine of Swords, medyo may problema or may hindi okay yung connection with this person, with this maybe past person. And then, ikaw, yung emotion mo para sa kanya, sa ngayon, wala akong nararamdaman towards you. Minahal mo, oo. Pero mas tinatalikuran mo na or kina-cut off mo na lang tong taong to. You want, if you are already married with the Justice card, kung may marriage or married ka na with someone else, mas fino-focusan mo itong marriage na ito. Na although napapalingon ka dito sa person na ito or napapansin mo pa rin siya or whatsoever, nakikita mo online, whatever, yun ay dahil may something sa inyong dalawa. Pero with the Hermit, you're trying to focus on yourself. Tanggalin yung mga dapat tanggalin. You are focusing sa mga ikakaayos mo pa. How about yung person na ito? What is his thoughts and emotions towards you? Queen of Swords. Pareho nagpakita yung Queen of Swords sa inyo, guys. The Seven of Cups is here. And the Tower, yan. And bottom of the deck, sorry. May check lang ako dito. Yeah. Ito yung chinek ko kasi the Seven of Cups is here. Tapos nagpakita rin naman yung Seven of Cups sa side ng person mo, no? Which is, ito siya. And then at the bottom of the deck is the Queen of Cups. Itong person na ito, nakikita natin, mahal ka niya, no? But with the Queen of Swords, pinipigilan niya rin or kina-cut off ka rin itong person na ito kasi with the Tower, feeling niya nag-end na yung sa inyong dalawa. Pero this person really do love you a lot. Naghihintay siya actually. Naghihintay siya sa'yo. Pero feeling niya tapos na. Hindi ako dapat maghintay. Parang ganun. Wala na. You do have here the Courthouse. Maybe may kinalaman nga kasi sa marriage. I feel like for some of you could be married or merong kasama or ka-live-in. House is here, family room, and sudden wealth. So, nakikita natin more on mga material things or maybe may kinalaman sa house or business yung pinagfo-focusan ninyong dalawa ng person na ito. Yeah. What will happen in the future for the both of you, for the sign of Earth sign? Four of Pentacles, Nine of Pentacles, the Wheel of Fortune, clarify the Wheel of Fortune, the Moon, Seven of Cups is here. So, kahit ano naman, Ace of Cups, the Two of Swords, and the Moon. Ace of Cups, the Two of Swords, yan. Yan yung mga card na lumabas. Kukunin ko na rin sa side ng person na ito. In the future, the High Priestess, the Two of Swords, guys. May Two of Swords na sa side mo eh. Meron pa sa side niya. Two of Swords and the Ten of Cups. And the Moon, guys. You could be dealing with your soulmate, your twin flame. The Moon is nandito. Nandito rin yung the Moon. And then nandito rin yung the Lovers sa side ng person mo. Five of Cups is here. The Chariot is here. Three of Pentacles. Oh, no, 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 no. My gosh. Hindi ko to in-expect. Hindi ko to in-expect. Hindi ko to in-expect, guys. Nagulat ako sa outcome. Nagulat ako sa near future ninyong dalawa. Wait lang, guys. Kukuha lang ako ng card for this deck na magka-clarify sa inyong, oh my gosh. And I just saw something dito sa aking maliit na crystal dito sa ito particularly. May nagpakita sa aking image. It's like an image of a man. Lalaki siya na wala siyang someone with. I can only see a man. So, mamaya may ibig sabihin yon. I'll just wait na may mga lumabas pa. Great Fortune, main male, and gift. Four of Pentacles, I can see someone na nag-iipon to give you something, to offer you something. And with the Nine of Pentacles, I can see success sa'yo financially. Okay? The Wheel of Fortune, malaking pagbabago regarding sa mga bagay na minahal mo. Which is pwedeng may kinalaman yon sa kung ano yung mga binamahal mo ngayon. Career, sarili mo, malaking pagbabago in the future para sa sarili mo. Malaking pagbabago regarding sa career mo. Excuse me. Natutunan mong mahalin kung ano man yung mga bagay na ibinigay sa iyo, na meron sa iyo. So with the Seven of Cups, unti-unti nang makukuha mo yung mga gusto mo, yung mga gusto mong outcome regarding dito. With the Ace of Cups, there's this new love. Ito na yung sinasabi natin. New love is coming. New person is coming. And maybe itong person na ito is the person in the past, which is the main male, your soulmate. And great fortune, dadating itong taong ito pag financially, you are already okay. You are financially secured. You are with the sudden wealth. Nakikita natin yan. Ikaw ay may pera na, ikaw ay hindi mo akalain na marireach mo itong status na ito sa buhay mo. Nakikita natin, you could be a person na may maipagmamalaki, may maiyayabang, or sabihin na natin nakaangat-angat sa buhay. Talagang maybe ikaw ay galing sa ibaba, ikaw ay biglang umangat. And that could mean na may yumayaman dito sa inyo in the future. At pag na-achieve mo yung bagay na yun, biglang dadating ito with the Two of Swords, kailangan mong gumawa ng desisyon. Yung person na ito with the Two of Swords wants to complete his or her life with you, with the High Priestess. Gusto niyang kumpletuhin ang buhay niya kasama ka. And with the Ten of Cups, this person realized na gusto niya bumuo ng family, gusto niya magkaroon ng kayo, gusto niya magkaroon ng relationship and family with you, and you are his or her soulmate with the Moon. So with the Lovers, gagawa na paraan itong person na ito na magkaroon ng relationship sa inyo kahit pa may masasaktan with the Five of Cups. This person with the Chariot, tuloy-tuloy, lalaban siya, talagang pausong siya with the Three of Pentacles, especially pag may growth na rin na nangyari sa kanya na may kinalaman sa kanyang pera. Okay? So, pasugod talaga tong taong ito in the future for you. Maybe kasi may mga realization, spiritual lesson na natutunan itong taong ito. And that's it for now. Thank you for watching, guys. I love you all and bye-bye.